Module 7. Challenging the process.
Far too often, we cling to what is familiar, even if what we cling to is known to be inadequate. Most large groups are governed by the law of inertia. If it takes effort to change something, nothing will change. As a leader, you must search out opportunities to change, grow, innovate, and improve. There is no reward without risk, however, so you must be willing to experiment, take risks, and learn from any mistakes. Ask questions, even if you fear the answers. Start with the question, why? Why are things the way they are? Why do we do things the way we do?
Think outside the box.
Topic objective: to stimulate the mind and get participants to think outside the box. A paradigm is an established model or structure. Sometimes they work quite well, but often they are inadequate or even counterproductive. Sometimes it is necessary to think outside the box and break the paradigm. Don't be afraid to ask the question, why?
Ask questions of your employees, customers, former leaders.
Answers and ideas can be found in the least likely places. Often the lowest-ranking persons in an organization can tell you exactly what is wrong because they see it daily from their vantage points. Topic summary: how to break the paradigm. Developing your inner innovator. Topic objective: to stimulate the mind and get participants to think outside the box. Innovation is more than just improvement on a process or procedure. It is a total redirection or restructuring based upon stated goals and research. While it can be helpful to adapt an outdated procedure or task to today's standards, often the procedure itself is the problem, not the manner in which it is implemented. To be sure, not all innovative strategies will be feasible or cost-effective. Requiring an entirely new computerized network and infrastructure, for example, may cost hundreds of thousands of dollars and produce little improved efficiency over the old one. However, if you don't start thinking outside the box, you will miss many valuable solutions that can and will work. Note that change should never be made simply for the sake of change. Change can be exciting, but it can also be unnerving and difficult for employees. Constant change causes frustration. Moreover, if you seem to change too many things too often, you will lose respect, as your employees perceive you don't really know what you are doing, so be sure to plan your innovations carefully. There should be solid evidence that a new way of doing things is likely to work before you invest money and everyone's time. Keep focused on the goals and be willing to break the rules if they need to be broken. Just make sure they really need to be broken and you don't break something that needs to keep working. With proper research and planning, you can dare to be bold. Topic summary: how to break the paradigm.